In this video, I will show you all the exponent rules you need to know to be able to simplify any expression. Let's get started. First, let's remind ourselves what exponents are all about. Exponents are like little instructions that tell us how many times a number known as the base should be multiplied by itself. For example, when we say 2 to the power of 3, it means we're taking 2 and multiplying it by itself 3 times, giving us 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Our first rule is about multiplying numbers that share the same base but have different exponents. The trick here is to keep the base the same and just add the exponents. For example, 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 becomes 2 to the power of 3 plus 4, which simplifies nicely to 2 to the power of 7. Next up, we're diving into dividing numbers with the same base. Here we stick with the base and subtract the exponents. So 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 2 becomes 2 to the power of 5 minus 2, which gives us 2 to the power of 3. Rule number 3 deals with what happens when you raise an exponent to another exponent. The secret is to multiply those exponents. For example, 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 turns into 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3, which means 3 to the power of 6. Now, what about when you have different bases with the same exponent? Simple, you multiply the bases together. So 4 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 becomes 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3, which simplifies to 20 to the power of 3. Moving on, if you're dividing powers with the same exponent, it's all about dividing the bases. For instance, 6 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 4 becomes 6 divided by 2 to the power of 4, resulting in 3 to the power of 4. Now, what if you encounter negative exponents? Here's the scoop. Flip the base to the other side of the fraction and change the exponent's sign. For example, 1 over 7 to the power of minus 2 transforms into 7 to the power of 2, which equals 49. Alright, here's law number 7. Let's keep it simple. When you raise any number to the power of 1, it stays the same. So 9 to the power of 1 is just 9. Lastly, when you raise any number to the power of 0, the result is always 1. For instance, 5 to the power of 0 equals 1, or pi to the power of 0 equals also 1. Any number to the power of 0 equals 1. And there you have it. Those are the 8 fundamental laws of exponents. Knowing these rules is like having a secret code to simplify expressions and tackle equations with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more math videos. If you have any burning questions or topics you'd like me to dive into in the future, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Alright, catch you in the next one. Bye bye.